What's going on, my champions? Jai T here at Miami Web3. I'm here with Scott from Complex Labs. Scott, what's going on with Complex Labs? What are you all up to?
You know what? It's been a big week. We launched this week at Art Basel. Out of the blue, had brands come to us and say they want to do some activations in Web3. What Complex Labs does is we help brands onboard their existing communities to Web3. How do we do that? We provide the infrastructure to not only onboard them, but to engage them, retain them, and monetize them using our abstracted technology. It's very simple. You don't have to know what you're doing in Web3. We just abstract it all the way. You use an email address, take ownership of a wallet. It's pretty cool.
Nice. So as a service provider, what's the number one thing that people come to you for?
Right now it's activation. So people that are at events and wanting to expose their audiences, we provide activations. I'll give you an example. So last night we held a cocktail hour where you show up at the cocktail hour, you scan a QR code. It then onboards you to a wallet in 15 seconds and you get dropped an event NFT. Pretty cool little NFT about Miami. It then will prompt you, if you tweet about the event, you can earn a free drink. So if they tweet, the NFT's metadata will actually change on-chain, the imagery will change, and it becomes a drink voucher where you could walk up to the bar, show them your voucher, they could redeem it, and you get a free drink. And then it will go back into being its original state.
That is fantastic. How did this all come about? How did you get started?
The original idea was a DAO tooling platform, but we didn't really want to sell into DAOs. And what we realized is a lot of the technology we had built is also applicable to brands. Brands are much easier to sell into, bigger budgets, and they're more willing to take chances with Web3. Quickly found out that brands have a lot of issues in the space, mostly around two parts. One, how do we meaningfully move into Web3 and do it in a brand-focused way?
Responsibly.
Yeah, it's responsibly, absolutely. And then second, what technology do we need to actually do this? We built the technology portion so we can make it quicker and cheaper for them to move and experiment in Web3, and they can focus on the creative side of it.
Nice. And if you were to let everybody know one very big important thing about Web3, what do you think they should know?
I think the main use cases are yet to be discovered. I think a lot of people associate NFTs with artwork, and in reality, I think NFTs are a much bigger technology that we've yet to fully unlock. My opinion that the terms we use make it more difficult for people, and once we abstract them away and things just work, that's when we'll get the real adoption.
And anything else you want the good people to know?
Come to Miami, it's where Web3 is being born.